Hey, Mr. Allred here, and we're doing more practice problems with transformations. So this one, problem A, is f of x equals the absolute value of x minus 3, and then after that plus 3. So right off the bat, the parent function is the absolute value of x. So if we pay attention to what's happening, x has a minus 3 inside the absolute value, so that's going to shift it right 3, and then the plus 3 on the outside is going to shift it up 3. So our V shape is centered at 0, 0. So that's going to go right 3 and up 3. So the center of that V shape will be 3, 3. It'll still have the original shape, just in a different location. Okay. All right. Our next practice problem, B, is g of x equals negative x cubed minus 4. So the parent function is x cubed. So let's see what's happening. We plug in x, it gets cubed. We've got a minus in front of that, so that's going to reflect over the x-axis. And then minus 4 is going to take it down 4. So let's see. Our parent function x cubed is centered at 0, 0. So we're going to reflect around the x-axis. And then we're going to take it down 4. So I'll go ahead and move it down 4, and then we'll draw the reflection. And it'll look upside down from the original, but shifted down. Okay. Our last one, C. H of x equals negative square root of x plus 4, and then outside of that minus 3. So the parent function is square root of x squirt, so I have that graphed. So let's see what else is happening. So x plus 4, that's under the square root, so that's going to send it left 4. The negative outside the square root is going to reflect over the x-axis. And then the minus 3 is going to make it down 3. So let's take our point from 0, 0 and see what happens. We're going to go left 4, brings us over to negative 4. We're going to flip it about the x, so we'll go this way. So I'm over at negative 4, and then we'll go down 3. So the point that was 0, 0 will be at negative 4, negative 3. And then it's going to be an upside down squirt. So this is the graph that we have.